You are watching Pharma News. Here are the top headlines of today.
InvaGen, a Cipla subsidiary, receives final approval for generic version of Pfizer's Lyrica. According to IQVIA, Lyrica had US sales of approximately $5.4 billion for the 12-month period ending March 2019. Alembic Pharma gets USFDA approval for Pregabalin Capsules. The approved ANDA is therapeutically equivalent to the reference-listed drug Lyrica Capsules of PF Prism CV. Novartis licenses out early antiviral work to Gilead. Gilead Sciences licensed 3 preclinical antiviral programs from Novartis as its R&D chief is set to leave. Rupees 4.5 crore pharma drugs seized in 17 months in Punjab. Food and Drugs Commissioner K.S. Pannu said licenses of 1414 firms has been suspended, out of which 1,278 suspensions were on account of general contraventions, while 1,136 were related to habit-forming drugs. Johnson & Johnson begins compensation disbursement to receivers of faulty hip implant. Delhi High Court had directed US pharma major Johnson & Johnson Private Limited to pay 25 lakh rupees each to patients affected by its faulty implants. Pharma exports soar 26% in Bangladesh. Skilled manpower and improved quality of medicines and more focus on foreign markets have helped Bangladesh to expand its pharma market to 144 countries. Robots to help produce new class of antibiotics. The antibiotics known as class 2 polyketides are also naturally produced by soil bacteria and have antimicrobial properties, which are vital in the modern pharmaceutical industry to combat infectious diseases and cancer. India participates in only 2 to 3% of global clinical trials under evolving regulatory scenario. India participates only in 2 to 3% of global clinical trials due to lack of clarity on approval timelines, among other factors, according to experts. They review that longer time is required for approvals in India, which is minimum 3 months as compared to that in developed countries, which is 1 month. Indian Pharma stocks update. Top gainers are Sun Pharma up 3.1% and Cadila Healthcare up 2.6%. Panacea Biotech down 5.1% and Orchid Pharma Limited down 4.9% are among top losers. For details, you can visit the link shown in the news bites. And for quick pharma industry updates, download PharmaState app.